Good morning. Welcome to the Weekly RoundUp Report with Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. Today we're at the Roswell location. Come on in. We're here with David.
How y'all doing? Welcome back. This is Chloe's in Roswell. Come on in.
Mark, what you working on, bud?
I am working on a warranty claim for a customer, trying to help them out a little bit.
That is great. Thank you. I'm with Paul Durbin. He is our guru of training.
I'm here to train today, and I'm just admiring the Apple better watch out. I got this new Chloe's laptop. It's pretty cool. So watch out, Apple.
What you training on today?
We're going to be going over G1 testing. So we're training for the ASE test.
Fantastic. Peter's working on a Hyundai today. What are you doing, sir?
We're going to do routine maintenance. It's get that fluid clean in the transmission. It's scheduled maintenance. And the customer decided that she wants to keep a car in good shape. So we're getting that transmission fluid done.
Thank you. Caesar, what you got going on?
Yeah, I repair the lower controller, the front strut, rear brake pads and rotors. Yes, it's a big job done.
Yes, it is. Mark is the service advisor on this Honda right here. He's going to tell us what we're doing on it.
All right, today on this one, we are doing new spark plugs. We're doing a GDI induction service and a couple of filters.
All maintenance. Maintenance is important. That's how you keep your car running long time.
Absolutely, absolutely.
We are in our training room this morning. We are with Paul Durbin and Chris. What are we working on, guys?
Today we're going to do a practice test for G1 ASE, so Chris can get certified in light maintenance auto repair.
Tyler, what you working on this morning?
Currently, I am trying to find and build an estimate for timing chain and brakes on a 2011 F-150.
That is fantastic. Thanks for joining us at the Roswell location today. As we finish up, here's David.
Click the button below and subscribe today for additional information and savings. Thanks for stopping by.
And David's got one last thing he wants to throw in here.
Here at Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire, we're huge supporters of our community, and I'd like for y'all to meet my new neighbor. Come with me. All right, this is Hasim, the owner of Family Barber Shop in the Mountain Park Plaza Shopping Center. And when you bring your vehicle in, you want to stop in and get a haircut. He's offering 50% off to any new customer.
Yes.
Thank
you very much.